Hey tech lovers! Meet the Samsung Smart Monitor M9, the monitor that thinks it's a TV, a gaming screen, and your new coworker. Stunning OLED visuals, built-in apps, 4K webcam, but also some quirks you need to know. Let's break all down. Let's start with its picture quality that makes your movies pop. The M9's 32 inches 4K QD-OLED panel delivers deep blacks, rich contrast, and vibrant colors that really shine for streaming, photo, video editing, and creative work. A true all-in-one, monitor plus TV plus more. It's not just a PC monitor. With built-in smart TV features, streaming apps, and even a 4K webcam plus mic array, it's ready for movies, cloud gaming, video calls, or remote work without extra gear. Good for gaming and general use, 165 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 ms response time, and support for NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync. Make it capable of smooth gaming and fast-paced content. When it comes to its convenient single-cable USB-C connectivity, with USB-C delivering up 90 volt, you can power and connect a laptop with just one cable. Nice for clean, minimal desk setups. Smart durability features. Yes, they thought about burn-in. The panel includes a set of safeguards: pixel shifting, auto-dimming, thermal control, to reduce risk of OLED burn-in when doing static tasks, like spreadsheets or coding. Yeah! Let's talk now about the things those could be as the drawbacks on this monitor M9. Smart TV features equals menu chaos. All those TV-style options come with confusing menus. Some users found the OS and settings navigation frustrating or unintuitive. Downstream USB is weak, and overall connectivity is modest. Only a couple of USB-A 2.0 ports, no 3.5mm audio out, and a rather minimalist port selection for a premium monitor. HDR is meh for a premium OLED. While the colors and contrast are great, HDR brightness doesn't blow you away. Bright scenes don't pop as much as you might hope. When it comes to its speakers, they are good enough, but don't expect miracles. Built-in audio works for casual video or streaming, but don't rely on it for cinematic sound. Volume gets muddy when cranked up. Premium price tag, and that means expectations are high. For what you pay, you might expect the world. If you mainly need a PC monitor for productivity or gaming, there are cheaper monitors, though usually without the smart TV bells and whistles. Overall, you should go for the M9 if you want one screen that does it all: monitor, smart TV, streaming hub, webcam, work laptop dock, and you like a clean desk setup. You frequently switch between work, creative tasks, gaming, entertainment, and you're okay with paying a premium for versatility. Maybe skip it if you want best-in-class gaming, 240 Hz ultra-fast shooters. Other monitors do that better. You need top-tier HDR movie watching, or you're picky about audio and port selection, and you don't care about the smart monitor aspects. So, if you want more videos of new tech gadgets, electronics, and gaming tech, make sure you like and subscribe for weekly content.